Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making instant chocolate muffin. For this we need Marie biscuit, glucose biscuit, chocolate biscuit, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, walnut and almonds, fruit salt and milk. So in a grinder, take Marie biscuit, approximately 100 grams of Marie biscuit, add 50 grams of chocolate biscuit, 50 grams of glucose biscuit and grind them to make a fine powder. Now add milk and mix it to find a smooth consistency. Now take a muffin mold, add 1 teaspoon of batter. You can add walnut and almonds in batter also. Fill all the muffin mold and microwave them, and your instant chocolate muffin is ready. Thank you.